Hello, my dear friends. This is Dr. Charles from PatientCareLinks, where we share practical health lessons drawn from real cases we see every day. Behind many cases of headaches, dizziness, and rapid heartbeat that people often dismiss as just being thirsty, there is often a much deeper process unfolding. This process affects your brain, your heart, and your kidneys. Today, I want us to explore an important question. How does dehydration affect these vital organs? It starts quietly, often with the body losing more water than it is replacing. The skipped glasses of water, the long hours in the hot sun, the excessive sweating, and even fever. At first, many people dismiss the early warning signs as just being tired or because of the weather. But underneath, your body's water balance is already changing. Because water is not simply something we drink, it is one of the body's most essential building blocks. And that is where the real story begins. One of the most important lessons is that even a small loss of water affects how you work. One of the earliest symptoms is dark yellow urine, a sign your body is conserving every drop it can. Then comes the dizziness. Your brain is giving you a warning that it isn't receiving the fluids it needs to function. Concentration falls, and what seemed like just being thirsty reveals itself as a whole body problem. Observe the biological domino effect. Water is lost, blood volume falls, and blood pressure may begin dropping. The heart works harder, and the kidneys struggle to filter waste. This isn't sudden, it's progressive. The heart has to work much harder to pump concentrated blood, while important organs like the brain receive less oxygen-rich flow. This systemic impact affects nearly every cell in your body. From the medical perspective, dehydration ranges from mild to life-threatening. Doctors assess this through your medical history, physical exams, blood pressure, and heart rate to prevent serious complications. We look for those neurological signs too: difficulty concentrating, irritability, and in severe cases, fainting or reduced consciousness. These are critical signals that the brain is struggling. Our nursing and pharmacy teams emphasize that some medicines, like diuretics or certain diabetes treatments, can actually worsen dehydration. It's vital to understand how these interact with your fluid intake. Pharmacists help patients understand when to increase fluid intake and how to take medicine safely during illness. Good hydration is a daily habit that must be maintained, not just when thirst becomes severe. Our dietitians remind us that many fruits and vegetables contribute to hydration. Watermelon, oranges, and cucumber are excellent choices. Sugary drinks and alcohol are not good substitutes. These healthy fluids help maintain the balance your body needs. During hot weather or exercise, these needs increase. Hydration is something to protect every single day. Step back and see the full picture. Water intake falls, waste products accumulate, and the body's cooling system fails. Dehydration is never just about thirst. It's about keeping every vital organ functioning properly. The larger story is the body's struggle to stay functional. But the encouraging reality is that most cases can be prevented. When recognized early, replacing lost fluids can protect your brain and your heart. Drink water regularly. Pay attention to those early signs like dry mouth or dizziness. Seek medical care if symptoms become severe. Protect your vital organs before the story unfolds too far. Stay hydrated, stay healthy, and protect your brain, heart, and kidneys. Contact PatientCareLinks at +233 20 872 0347 for more health insights. We're here for you.